Okay. I think we're live now. We're live now. So this link has been dropped here. And we can start. So can you see my screen?
No.
You're not.
No. Yes, now.
All right, also. All right, so we'll give signals. We'll give a little bit of signals. Then we'll analyze, and then I'll see what you have in chat, and then that's just it. Now, before we start today, we're just going to do one thing. We're just going to make some confession. And we are not here. When they go to church, we're just going to make some confession. So you repeat after me. Is that fine? You repeat after me. We're not here. And the power of confession is something that just reaffirms your reality. All right, so let's go. 5 years from now. Please repeat after me. 5 years from now.
5 years from now.
My life is going to be.
5 years from now.
My life.
5 years from now.
5 years. 5 years from now.
My life is going to be in an entirely different place.
My life is
going to be in a different place. Going to be in a entirely different place.
A much better place.
A much better place.
I'll be living my dreams.
I'll be living my dreams.
Traveling the world.
Traveling the God.
Traveling the God.
Traveling the world. Traveling the world.
Traveling the world.
Gaining access to big rooms by saying my name.
Gaining access
places by saying my name.
Amen. By saying my name.
I'll be gaining access into big rooms by saying my name.
I'll be gaining access into big rooms by saying my name.
Money worries will be history.
Money problems will be history.
And my joy will know no bounds.
And my joy will know no bounds.
Forex will pay me.
Forex will pay me.
Forex will pay me. It's like you mean it's Forex will pay me.
Forex will pay me.
Forex will pay us.
Claim your own for yourself. Forex will pay me.
I'm not doing it.
Every Monday we say this. I'll write this down in the group. It's just kind of the affirmations. There's how you stay, right? And then what you think. The word has a way of giving you what you think. What you say. That's why people wake up in the morning, you look into the mirror and say, you'll be rich. You're looking into the mirror and telling yourself, you'll be very rich. You'll be very, very rich. The idea, guys, of my dreams and all that, when I was small, when I enter into a room and people will stand up and be clapping and be shouting. Have I told you guys before?
Yes, you did.
Beautiful.
I didn't hear it, boss. Repeat it.
We were few in the class that day.
Beautiful.
Because I know I've not heard it before.
I was small. Sometimes I will dream and then I'll enter a room or a place. People will stand up and shouting my name. In fact, it now got to last year. This was a proper issue. Last year, I was not thinking in my mind, the world will know my name. I was in school. Nobody knew my name. Nobody knew anything. In fact, I was broke. I was in 5,000 naira. But I was saying myself, the world will know my name. Guess what? Now my name don't reach the world though. If I don't know. Now Great Efforts Academy is now, we are just 1 year training professionally, but we've grown so big that right now people want to copy us. People are claiming to be us using Great Efforts, using our logo. And that is a good one because it shows that we are doing something beautiful. And how did that start? I was saying to myself, the world will know my name. The world will know my name. You can just, your own can be simple. I'll be very rich. Forex will pay me. Just be saying it. Forex will pay me. Forex will pay me. No worry. Forex will, like, just be repeating it and repeating it and repeating it. And words have a way of creating and remolding lives. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. Word has a way of creating and remolding lives. So if you wake up in the morning, say good things to yourself. Those of you that were at Lekki earlier this year with Jeff Benson, that people that was there. If you were in Forest, nobody here was there. Okay, we have heard these things today, but yesterday night it was just reaffirmed in my spirit. Okay, so let's move on. Our first now for today is EU. This is our first now for today. I'm taking EU from here. Now this also looks like a value zone. Also looks like a value zone. So I'm just taking from here or here. Take it from here or here, but some of them are valid. If it does not, if it's here, then it will leave here. Our Facebook people, hi. All right, so this is EU. All right, AN. So AN will be going up from now. We're having this buy here. Buying this buy here. Right here on AN. All right, so look what I choose to enter. This is zone. Having this buy from me on AN. You don't hear me? You cannot hear me. ADNZ. So having the buy from there. Now two things are possible. Okay, markets can come back to give us a re-entry on this zone because this is already a impossible and AVG. Why can come back to this zone is because a re-entry. We'll take our trade from the AVG. The AVG here, hitting another block there. So I know you want to do, but just get the idea. But this is going to be very useful. And then we also have our sales from this point. Also have our sales from this point. That is a quick sell from here. That is, if it doesn't give step on to be here, it will give step also to be here. Also here. Right. This place is back to US. You can see that we need one or two things here and flip here. So that means here we have first choice of entry for the sell, and then here is does not hold. You get the point? You understand?
Yes, sir.
Only one person answered. Guys, do you understand? Everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. I know that somebody sent me a message and told me that what we did on Saturday is working. So those of you that were around on Saturday class, doing the one-on-one class, have you tested it?
Yes, it's actually works.
Maybe they are not here. You just tell us so we can test it.
Tell us that so that we can test it.
Who is that person?
It's what you sir.
I can pass the message across, so boss.
Oh, don't worry. I think I hear Mr. Vito's voice. Mr. Vito,
Yes, sir. I hear you. Good morning.
you work, Abi?
Yes, boss.
You work very well, oh. You work well.
You are Simon. I see you. That's a good one. Don't worry. People that were not in class on Saturday, I'll teach it on Saturday. I'll teach it on Friday. That will be our closing topic on Friday. I'll be taking class again on Friday. Tomorrow you have Samuel. Next month you have Toli. Okay, tomorrow. But from now on, you see that we will be sharing class. Classes will never be me. We'll give a chance to teach you, I explain to you, and then next month or next week, we're having somebody from another mentor entirely from another group, from another academy, come to you guys, or just some collaboration. My monitor is coming today. It's not order. They just called me that they're coming today this morning. So we'll have a new workspace. Now, not be for me.
Sweet.
All my enemies.
Makes sense, boss.
I don't know now. All of them are enemies.
You say we don't use the thing do wallpaper, we don't use and use profile picture. They wait for me to come now.
All of them now. Like plan me.
Congratulations, sir. Please do discount on sign up. I have somebody that wants to sign up, but you not get rich $100.
Don't know that.
Do discounts now. Your monitor is coming today.
Well, it be like na fight.
All right. This is GPSC. Please, you see G, you see EU. Don't miss it. Yeah, I'll be filtrate. G and EU. Now, please don't forget if you have a reason to enter from this zone too, it is valid. This is the same thing that I've said on EU. But these two zones are very, very valid. EU, G, very, very valid. Just take them. You see. All right, so we're having a buy from here on UC. If you notice, moving on that zone for a while. One is on for a while. Should we take it or should we leave it?
Let's leave his boss.
GC.
I think we should leave that one.
We need a force any trade this month.
And so before Monday go Monday us.
It's not looking clear at all.
All right, awesome. Okay, on card JPY. Card JPY is also okay. We had this move on card JPY on Monday. This one too is at the same zone. Like I said, today is Monday, so it's not be very clear. Today is Monday, not just Monday. The start of the new trading week. So what's market?
First trading day of the month, actually.
You see, first trading of the month, first trading day of the week. So market will do a lot of corrections, a lot of manipulations, a lot of resets. So let's be careful today. This one here, right now. So here is actually unmitigated though. And it has given us step one onto the that is clear. What we do here is we reach this one. We reach this one only because it didn't mitigate the first time. We reach it only because it didn't mitigate the first time. This one only because it didn't mitigate the first time. So what we do is what to do is we will have this move. Yeah. This will be where my buy is. We want my buy is. So I'll do two more And then if you have chats to share or if you have set up to give, please start getting ready with the chats. USD card. USD card, USD card, USD card. Okay, so I'm not concerned about anything USD card wants to do here. We need to go down. Take note of this. We know it to go down. We know it to sell, right? Because GU is buying. GU is buying. E is buying. That means UC is selling. Okay, and if you look at this one here, you will quite see that we have something here, which is suspicious. That is which is suspicious. So we want to fall into that place. I have too many this in here. We want to get to that place. Or be that we can just so a little bit of safer. Right here. This is the AVG. This is the different. So that's also giving us a good stuff. Some of you would have seen what I'm saying. So things that are involved. Number one, get into that zone to take down the cell. Let's just, if it does not get into that zone, pay me. Guys, listen, I think. What do you think? Okay. Let's see the reaction on that place first. Let's see the reaction on which place first. Then anything that happens, your sale will be valid if you have a breakthrough from here. Right? To be safe, sale will be valid if you have a breakthrough from here. Right? So give us evasion 2 of 1, 2, 3. Right? So we will not get stopped out on this play because market now around to set trap here. AVG. Now I understand you want to follow your rules, but sometimes there are exceptions to the case. Like this one now, the rules are met, but exceptions to the case is that there's everything basically above. You want to be careful of that. So this one does not hold. You're not in yet, so now tap into this one. Go for buy. Okay, I'll do 2 more. Okay. Call it again. I'll do 2 more, then I'll let you analyze by yourself. So all this now we sent to the group. I want to follow and yeah. Good. That trading good, right? This was our last good last week. So it's a good one. So I'll do good for now. Yes, let's see. Okay, good. Let's see, it's quite simple. Thank God. Buy from here, sell from here. That is quite simple. Buy from here. From here. Please don't miss your SS. Okay, so who wants to go first? Who wants to go first? Who wants to go first in giving us a chart or a analysis or a signal? Who wants to go first? Someone said Who wants to go now? Nobody. All those guys that were dropping signal yesterday night. I no one drop.
I for talk, but I did drive now. My reach where they go.
Samuzo. Is that Sam?
Yes, sir.
Who else? Why say something that I didn't hear? That's just something my signal like since you guys don't give me signal. It's very low. Okay, VJ. But wait, when I forget to give signals, I'll be. I just don't want this signal today.
Yeah, I have what I'm looking at. Good morning, sir.
What do you mean now?
Okay, sir. Let me share my screen.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your face.
Sorry. I have to share my screen now.
No, face with the seal.
Yeah, oh boy, seeing that.
I don't be a boy.
Where is I am unvaccinated? It's been ages I saw him.
You go explain, Taya. You know we have.
No evidence. Do dreadlock, na Yahoo boy.
Wait, Queen, hi, Queen. What's going on now? You come back, you know, tell me. Queen.
I am not seeing any screen, no.
I'm coming, sir. I'm trying to do it.
I think you should share your screen.
Yeah, I feel like it's to know how to share screen. Maybe I think the thing is difficult to share or something.
This is Zoom.
This is Zoom, so it's different.
Can you see
Okay,
my...
go on, you can see.
Okay. Now Android this guy they use. Now why they slow?
In the Android go where?
I see client too. I see clients.
I see that Facebook. Oh, you just the one yourself. I didn't see YT for there.
My boss. Good morning, sir.
Hi.
Okay, I have what I'm looking at. A flip zone on Euro AUD. So this is what I'm looking at. A failed demand zone. Then my flip here, D2S, for a sell, but you haven't gotten to my POI. So once get my POI now. This was an inducement I mark out on Saturday. So if you can, it's a pure inducement here. So I'm expecting market to get my POI here. To get my POI here and give me our step as usual. Then for itself. So
You have to take that sell. I'm still on that buy below.
Okay. We'll take the sell to the buy now.
Then buy again. We'll sell.
Okay.
Bye, fam.
On Euro USD, this is a sell I'm looking out on Euro USD. So I still have another one here. I think another European.
Wait. Make this thing very well so that you can screenshot it myself. Short the zone and then the target. Yes.
Let me zoom to 1 hour. Okay, this is it. On 1 hour time frame. This is the failed demand zone with multiple touches on it. So break. So this is my unmitigated order block yet. It's not mitigated yet. So I'm expecting market to get to the UI here, which is here, because from high time frame the market is in a downtrend, a strong downtrend. So I'm expecting a sell to this point.
Yeah,
so yeah.
I like I like it.
I still have another one. Another European.
Have the screenshots?
I think I have the screenshot here. I sent it on Sunday, so I'll still send it again.
Okay.
I still have another one too. Euro NZD, I think. A sell too on Euro NZD. So from high time frame, the market is in a strong downtrend, forming lower lows. So look at my IPO. I'm expecting market to sell to this. What's up? How you doing? I'm expecting market to sell to this. They whine me. Sorry, I'm talking with my boss. I'll get back to you.
I'm
not getting my guy. How are you?
I'm expecting market to sell to this my POI here. This my 1 hour order block here. This one might draw out for a sale. So for now, I'm joining the trend. For a sale. If I get down to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. This is my unmitigated order block at 15 minutes. Yeah.
Don't you think that target is too long?
Hello, sir.
Don't you feel that target is too long?
I mean, this my
it's your sell. Don't you think that the
profit target
is too long?
Yeah, it's too long. Yeah, I think it's too long. I'll be targeting 1:5. No, I'm not greedy. This my just expectation on it, but my target is 1:5 risk to reward. So I'm joining the trend for a sell.
I see right now this thing is 1 to 12. Or 1 to 5 first, or 1 to 4 safe.
1 to 3 safe. If possible, I don't want to be greedy. 1 to 3
is achieved. You can now secure your trade. Put your SL down to that spot of 1 to 3. Then forget about the trade. You now run risk free. So anything that happens, I'm not shake.
Okay, sir. This is I'm joining the trend. I'm joining the trend for the sell. So this is my from 15-minute time frame. You see, this order block is not mitigated yet. So I'm expecting market to get this order block at my POI here for a sell. If I do not see the step, I'm not entering as usual. Then I see have another one working out. Euro card. This I'm expecting a buy as usual. This it has given my step from. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. You see my steps has played out already. So if you can see, you see the step already. It's played out already. My step 1, my step 2, and if you come to this 1 hour, you see that the other block is not mitigated yet. So I'm expecting market to fire for my step, for my entry point.
Okay, awesome. I like the way that you are fluent with your phone.
Yeah. I don't have PC yet, so not that I don't have PC. I want to use this. I don't want to buy without Forex money. So yeah. So I'm still making use of with my phone. I'm making progress with it. So
Like
this
I
is
like using well with your phone. Like you have no limitations. So is it going people think that if they don't have PC, they can't read Forex. But you are defying that submission. So I like it. I like it. I like it. Well done. Please send it to the group too. I'm also interested in this one.
okay,
Just
sir.
that, just that, listen, just that this sell would happen below. So
Okay.
in case it happens, this zone now is good, but also for this one below. So anything that happens, market will not support.
And sir, I'm expecting this market to buy. I'm targeting 1:30 risk to reward ratio because there's a lot of liquidity, a trend line liquidity. If I scale down to
You know, go fear God.
No, I want to
No, I see it. I see what you are saying. It's a good one. They really do. So, all those.
Look at this is a trend line liquidity, and this is just the breakout happening. This impulsive move now for the buy is a breakout happening now. Look at if I will follow my trend line, okay. This is a liquidity, a trend line liquidity, a very, very strong liquidity. So I'm targeting this buy to this point, to my 1 hour resistance zone. For my step 3 for a sell too.
Will you be able to hold it for that long?
Hello, sir.
Will you be able to hold it for that long?
Me? Nah, sir. I'm not sure, but I fit risk count. I fit risk like 0.5. Keep on there. Anything can happen. Just allow and play out. Just allow and play out. Wait, it go happen. But I go follow up the trade.
If you go to daily time frame, no face.
Okay. Daily time frame, the market is in an uptrend though, from daily time frame.
But the market, no, this market is going down. This market is downtrend, bro.
It's ranging. I will say that it's not going anywhere. It's just ranging from daily time frame. It's buying at the selling at the resistance, buying at the demand. That's what is happening here now. It's not going up, it's not going down.
You not go up, you not go down. Remember that song?
But if I scale down, from daily time frame, it's ranging. The condition of the market is a ranging market from daily time frame. But if I scale down to 4 hours time frame, you see that it's in a downtrend from 4 hours time frame, and this is the breakout of my trend line. Yeah. If I will use my trend line, you see this is the breakout. And sir, as we normally see now in our demand zone, if you see our steps, you know that the market has changed character. You see that this is my step 1. I don't need to show it here. Looking at it, it's obvious that this is my step 1. You can see it. And this is my other block. It's not mitigated yet. Let me remove this trend line. This is my other block here. Can I see it? This one here is not mitigated. This one here is not mitigated yet. So,
okay.
So I'm expecting.
Bro, wait for that market for that.
Can I say something?
Other block.
Misha.
Hello, sir.
Market will sweep that equal high. Yeah, that equal low there. Market will sweep them.
I'm doubting that though. I'm doubting that because you can see that FEG there, that imbalance that is there. Market will want to respect that zone first.
But I know what I tell now. I don't experience some market go sell from that down one.
There's a zone lower. The market can use that zone you mark as a liquidity to go lower to buy.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Calm down. I understand what you're saying. It will use this
There's no serious inducement to create a buy from the points you marked out. So your 1 hour zone can be an inducement from the 1 hour zone.
Okay. If I will say, let me say something like this, okay? We have so many inducements here now. This is inducement 1. This is inducement 2. This is inducement. This is the other block. that lead to this impulsive move. This one here.
Exactly.
Now you are suggesting if the market will come down, and this might be high now to take it on as inducement. That's what you're saying, right?
Yes, exactly.
Liquidity to the initial points that led to the break of structure. That's what I mean. Yeah.
Let me go down to 30 minutes bar. Okay. This might be a nice inducement. No.
Possibly. Yeah, it's probability. So it could be an inducement. Or to come to the initial zone that led to the break of structure. The market shift. Yeah.
Yes, before any break of structure, there will be an inducement. Guys, this is inducement before the break of structure. You can mark it out.
Mr. Mishak. I actually feel like that's when you marked out is sweep. This zone you marked. This zone you marked.
Okay.
I'm looking at it as a sweep, as a liquidity sweep. So trust me, it might hold. This zone here that you mark.
God bless you, sir.
Yes,
because this zone now is, if I'm talking of the zone that break of structure, is this zone, because I won't say this market will come to this zone because this zone is mitigated with this other block here.
Exactly.
It's mitigated, so I don't think this market will come down to this other block here. Let me draw it out. I don't think market will come to this other block. Let me show you something. This one is mitigated. I seen it. So I'm not expecting market to get to that one. So I'm expecting this fresh other block here now. This one I draw that here now. This one here to hold. But if I'm talking of this one now, it's mitigated. Then if I'm talking of this down one below here now. It's mitigated by this one. So I'm saying this is the fresh one. I'm expecting this one to hold.
Okay. If you are buying from there, your SL go long now.
My SA, if I'm buying from here.
Yes, your SL go long. I know this market people. You know these people.
Guys, please let me say something, please.
Okay.
Let me say something. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Great.
Good morning.
Like admin said, that zone is like a sweep zone. But if I'm to say that zone we hold, now the reason why I said that zone we hold is that the first maximum zone or the maximum POI or other block, as anybody can call it, moved away from an FVG. Then the second one was mitigated by that drop down. Probably some people might call it a footprint or anyone like that. You understand? So, but it swept the liquidity down and then pushed up. So now that zone now where he marked out is a fresh zone.
Fresh one.
And people know the what is it called? The law behind fresh zone. You understand? Because it is not mitigated at all. There's nothing there that
no, this zone now, this zone causes a fair value gap. If I scale down to, you see, I would love, whenever we are going through charts, everyone should just go through their own chart and be going through and the same thing we are seeing in the market. No, everybody has different expectation in the market. For me, this zone here now, this zone that lead to this impulsive move up now, there's a fair value gap on it. So unlikely I'm expecting this zone to hold, because if I were saying now this zone is the zone that break the structure. Okay, let me go down like this. This is liquidity. Let me go down now like this. This was the liquidity here. So I'm expecting this market now to come buy from here. And I have another chart I'm looking at. I'm looking at SAUSD.
No, hold on, bro. No, see this thing in our market. So the way they talk, it did too certain and pretty sure. Like say, not certainty. If anything can happen, you understand? So you just prepare for the worst case scenario. But that's hold where you say you won't hold this trade. I'm not in support of it. Go to daily time frame, please. Let me show you something.
Yeah, why is going there? To be frank, this trade is not a.
Also check 2-hour time frame. There's a fair value gap below.
All right. E-card. What we sell from here? What we sell from here? E-card, what we sell from here? Somewhere around here. For your sale be valid if this point gets invalidated. Please take note. Your sale be valid when this point here gets invalidated, and then we'll have to go through it all the way down to this point. Now, when market gets to this point, now listen and listen well. When market gets to this point, from all indications, this zone is valid. From all indications, this zone is valid. But then we are dealing with the market. We are dealing with a zone. We are dealing with Forex. The Forex market was made to eat your money. There will be times when, out of wickedness or out of witchcraft, market will just, for no reason, invalidate a good setup. Remember what I used to say, that sometimes market punishes good trades and reward bad trades. So whenever you're analyzing the markets, you must be open and flexible. You must be open and flexible. So once it comes here, if it comes here, the only reason why this thing will give us step, we will take a sell or a buy from here, all right, is if it gives us step 1 to 3. All right, this zone is a very confusing zone, because if you look at this, you see the sweep, right? This place is valid. You now see the flip. This place is valid. So you see why those two zones are valid. So markets can now choose, underline my words, underline my emphasis, markets can now choose. It's not because you are correct. There are two zones here. Market, underline this emphasis that I'm giving, markets can now choose to take any of the zones. And no your target market. It's not your father that has the market. If it takes any of those zones, you cannot be angry. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I will read you.
But I think market will do that same thing you do by the side, by the left side.
If that compass Gary, probably there is now nonsense happening in market. You cannot even decide to come here. Because apparently
yes.
Zone has not been filled.
Now that's the place I'm talking about. That place.
Apparently that zone has not been filled. So my people, anywhere market gets to and decide to obey the step 1 to 3, you are fine. You are fine.
Sir, can you see the same thing by the left side? Like, can you see
in this kind of thing, what you do is side. If you have 50, if you have 0.30 to enter a trade, if you have 0.30 to enter this EU, you cannot divide the 0.30 It has 0.10 here, 0.10 here. In case it now starts doing step 1, 2, 3, if it does step 1, 2, 3, use 0.10. If it does step 1, 2, 3 here, use 0.10. If it does step 1, 2, 3 here, use 0.10. But something is sure, something is certain. If it is a wrong zone, it cannot do step 1, 2, 3. Something is certain. If it's a wrong zone, in fact, okay, let me be more flexible. If it's a wrong zone, it will do step 1, 2, 3 at only one zone, and then you have 0.20 to still enter your trade and profit. Remember what I said yesterday? Yesterday? You don't need 100% of your trades to be profitable. You don't need 100% of your trades to be profitable. As a matter of fact, all you need is just 50%. You just need to be right only 50% of the time. I mean, if you take 10 trades and lose 5, if you take 10 trades and lose 5 and win only 5, you will still be farm. In fact, if you take 6 trades and if you take 10 trades and lose 6 and win 4, you still be profitable. You took 10 trades, even if you hit SL 6 times and lose 4, you still be profitable. For those that are joining us for the first time, I'd like to explain this again. If you take 10 trades, you lose 6, 10 trades. Let's say we are normally we target 1 to 5 in the academy, 1 to 5 are each, and you now take 10 trades. Let's say each of those 1 to 5 is 10 pips. So now took 10 trades, you now lost 6. That is, you've lost minus $60. The remaining 4, you now won 1 to 5 in the 4. You now hit tip in the 4. That is 1 to 5. That is 50 plus 50 plus 50. That is how much? $200.
$200.
So you lost 6 trades, you lost $60. You now won 4 and $100 and $100. That means your total profit right now is what? 200 minus 60. That means you still have of $140. You still have a profit of $140. You now see that your profitability does not depend on how many trades you lose. Your profitability does not depend on how many trades you lose. You can lose 6, win 4, and still be profitable. So don't count your win. Don't count your win, and don't count your profitability in terms of losing. All right. Like I used to say, they can be profitable. They can be bad trades. They can be bad trading days. It can be bad trading weeks. There can be bad trading months. But ultimately, if you know what you are doing, you still be profitable. Now you took 10 trades, you lost 6. Somebody would have already been discouraged. Just win 4. You just need 40% to be right. 40%, and you'll be in good hands. You'll be safe. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For those that just joined us, all right, and for people that are watching on Facebook, on YouTube, sorry, you don't need 100% of your trade, and that's why I used to wonder when people fail pro firms. Say, what do they do? You see, people that fail pro firms, I can bet you there are 3 things involved. In fact, there's only 1 thing involved. Traders. I'm not talking about new guys. I'm not talking about new beginners. Traders that lose profits, there's one thing involved. You don't know how to do risk management and trade management. That's just the only thing. If you understand that risk management is key, trade management is key. Strategy, in fact, in the world of Forex, risk management is 70%. Risk management and trade management. Risk management and trade management is 80%. There is risk management is 40%. Let me do this one. Risk management is 40%. Trade management and psychology, 40%. Then your strategy is just 20%. Because you can use any strategy at all, as long as you win 6 trades. As long as you win only 40% out of 60%, you still be profitable. I want to read that makes sense. I bet let's have somebody to share again. So that's my final that's my final verdict on card on this pair that I will just finish. Card. Another question? Any other setup, please?
Yes, sir. Sort of still, just that I don't know. Just have few to talk on.
All right, please go ahead. Just stop sharing. I'll stop sharing.
What do you call the last one?
I have ETFs I'm looking at. First is NAS 100. NAS 100. Looking at NAS 100. Okay, this is the trade I'm looking at. Though I don't know if it has been spoken on. Sir, good. Did you talk on this NAS 100? Let me just go ahead to another one. All right. Can you guys hear me?
We are with you, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Now, the reason why I chose this zone is basically because on the daily time frame, the market was going up, and then there is a change of character coming down. So I'm expecting market to come back to this zone here, then continue the downtrend. Otherwise, on 4 hours time frame, that's why I'm looking for a buy opportunity to go to that zone, which is this place now. Now, if markets didn't give you an entry our entry pattern here, you have no business with this trade. The first zone have been mitigated, and then that's why we are going with this one on a lower time frame. So that it should be, I think, yes, on 2 hours time frame. So this is the trade, the first one that I'm looking at. Then the other one is so okay. That's card JPY. And reached my market now. Though when I saw it, these ones have not been printed. The reason why I didn't take this zone as my entry is that there is a lot of rubbish here and the big FVG down here. So I have to let go of that one and then go with this zone for market to clear these two places and then come down. And then it's already playing out. It's playing out like this. So now the market, once it gets to this our entry point and give us our entry confirmation, then we can take the trade. But I have a question that I want to ask Sagit. I have a question.
Go ahead, I'm with you.
Okay, sir. My question is this: like this AG, when I have like the first, that's the question is on flip zones though. If I have two flips, the first flip didn't meet the, what is it called? It didn't come back to the flip zone after I broke the demand or supply. Then went up again and break the next zone up there and didn't come back to mitigate the first one and the second one. Now, basically, yes, I know the concept of fresh zone because this thing happened to me last week. And what I want to know is if this fresh zone now, if market comes back to it and give us our complete entry confirmation, am I to take that trade or basically wait for it to push out first? Because last week, market broke first flip, second flip, and then came back to the first first supply, second supply, and then came back to the first flip, give us entry pattern, then do as if he wants to go, just give me one kind of sweet inducement like that, and then took me out of the market. Then went to the second flip, and then strip liquidity before going up. So I want to know, if I have such case scenario, which one am I going to work with? The first flip or the second flip?
Hello, sir. Good morning. Can I contribute on what you say? Hello, am I permitted?
Go ahead.
Okay, sir. I've seen something like that on gold, most especially on gold. You know, this overall sell currently now is a flip on gold. It's a flip zone on gold. Okay. Now the first flip fade. The first flip fade, the second flip fade, and the third flip hold. And I come to learn about it that the first flip and the second flip was an inducement. So that was why the sell did not hold at the first flip. So I think if the market came to that your zone and give you a confirmation, which is our step, you already know what I'm talking about. You can likely to take it. And the only advice I always say is that use a proper risk management, because the market these days now is a game of probability. Although we know where it's going, but to try to sweep liquidity. So I think the flip will hold. If only you see your step, played out, you will be likely to take it. That's what I have to say.
Anybody else?
That deep breath was. Excuse me.
Because if we go back, for example, now if you go to gold, SAUSC now.
Wait, Mr. Bishop, wait.
Okay, sir.
Let's have it.
Euro AUD about to complete step 2, sir.
Okay. Euro AUD. Do we have a setup on Euro AUD?
Okay, it's zero time. Yes, sir. No, Euro card.
Euro card. Euro card that I'm looking for, not Euro AUD.
Euro card, sorry.
Okay. So you said market is going to stay from here, right? I'm saying that something.
Yes, I'm saying step 2 is about to be completed, sir, before the return for the proper sale.
Okay, noted. Noted. I mean that if possible, I should receive a buy from here. Since we are going to get a proper sale, I should receive a buy from somewhere here. Let me just. Yeah. Yeah. Today is Monday. Like I said, market will do a lot of nonsense. Today is Monday. So market wants to do a lot of nonsense. Okay, people have got.
Sadrid, we are forgetting one beautiful trade. Though.
Huh?
We are leaving one beautiful trade behind.
I'll leave this. Give me a minute. I'll leave this. This one might go up for me, but let's play with it. So much used to go for me, but let's play with it. Let's play with it. Let's play with this one for me. Then my cell. Click on the. Someone is saying how do I join the conversation? The link to the Telegram channel is on my bio. Once you get to my bio, once you get to the Telegram channel, you see a YouTube link. Drop there. Click on that link, and you join the conversation. So my go for me, but ultimately we're expecting a major sell. So leave the buy. Leave the buy. We go from there, but leave the buy. Let's focus on the sell. We are more focused on the sell, so we'll take the sell. We'll take the sell. Now, since today is Monday and the start of a new month and a new week, market will do a lot of rubbish today. All right, so be careful, use good risk management, and don't overstack. Don't overstack trades. As a matter of fact, on the normal, if you're using 0.50 on the normal, today use 0.25. All right, because there will be a lot of corrections, a lot of resets in the market. So market will be going for liquidity. People have got. Let's have one last signal and I'll call it a day. Now, all signals that gotten will drop on the signal channel. All signals that we've gotten will drop on signal channel. So let's have one last signal for today. Who wants to give us one last call for today? You easy. You ready to buy? Who wants to give us one last call for today? All right, so you, so your mentors will drop their own signals on the group, and Miss I'll drop my signals on the group. But after this class, all signals will drop. All right, be ready to buy EU. Be ready to buy EU. Be ready to buy EU. I'm going to be on this trade. It's going to be a powerful trade. I'm going to be on this trade. I'm going to be on this buy. I'm going to be on this buy. It's going to be powerful. It's going to be powerful. I'm going to be on this buy. I'm going to be on this buy. I'm going to be on this buy. It's going to be powerful.
What about GA?
GA.
Yes, for the sell.
We gave a sell on GA. Did you give a sell on GA?
Sir, not now, not I say other block day for up. 15 minutes or 1 hour.
Okay.
Yes, that your other block. Yes, extend it small.
Yeah, I'll send it. We'll take it.
I think that's duration 2. I think, sir. I did.
We'll take it.
So is that has it been verification 2? I'll be waiting.
No, it's not. It's not.
It is
not.
I say by the side, that place where you draw on that block.
That's not version 2.
Okay.
My other block is not version 2, but I'm seeing version 2 there. My other block is not version 2. If this is what you're saying, then it's version 2. If this is what you're saying. But this one is not version 2.
Okay.
All right, people, thank you for joining class tonight. Today, all signals that have been gotten will be sent to the group on Telegram, so you can so you can learn from it. All right, please use group management and don't be greedy. Thank you for joining class today.